There goes Bubba, off to start a brand new day. Bubba is very excited to get to work. And there's a fire truck. Hey, Bubba, you're going the wrong way. Oh no, Bubba. There you go. Oh boy, Bubba is so excited. Hey, a bunny. There goes Bubba. Wait a minute. Hey, where's he going? Where did Bubba go? Oh, there he is. Come on, Bubba. We are building a tower. It's almost done.
I can't wait to play castle.
Bubba wants to play too. Oh no! Oh no, Bubba.
You knocked over our whole tower.
Bubba is sad. He knocked over the tower by accident. All he wanted to do was play. Poor Bubba.
Checkers, I'm sad Bubba knocked over our whole tower.
That's okay, Snoozer. Bubba didn't mean to. We can just play a different game.
Okay, but what do we do?
Hey, Bubba, can you help us clean up this mess? Bubba is coming back. He is happy to help.
Let's go!
Here comes Bubba, and he is doing a great job cleaning up. Thank you, Bubba. I can help clean up too, using the brush. Oh wow, Bubba is the best helper.
Woohoo! Thank you, Bubba! You're doing a great job! Okay, all done. Get ready, Checkers! Here it comes! Woohoo!
Whoa, great work, Bubba. Well, Snoozer, now that we have all our blocks back, what do you want to build?
Checkers! It was actually funny when Bubba knocked over our tower. Maybe we can build another one.
That is a great idea.
And Bubba can knock that one over.
Bubba can help build things too. Oh, thank you, Bubba. Almost done. Oh, more pieces from Bubba. Now Bubba is going to knock the tower down again. Boom! Great job, Bubba.
Yay!
Time to clean up. Into the bin. Bubba cleans up too. Wow, Bubba is carrying the blocks. Thank you, Bubba. We're almost cleaned up.
And I can help too.
All done. Time for bed.
Bye-bye, Bubba.